Hi there, welcome back to the de Havilland Aircraft Museum. It's Alistair, the curator, here again. You might ask what came after the Mosquito. Well, there was something that came after the Mosquito. It was another de Havilland twin-engined, basically wooden fighter, and it was called the DH-103 Hornet. Using slightly more modern technology, still two Rolls-Royce Merlin engines. It was a single-seater aircraft this time, just the pilot. A slightly different wing, more aerodynamic wing, and very much faster, very high performance offspring of the Mosquito. Now, they were built in fairly small numbers for the Royal Air Force and the Royal Navy. The Royal Navy used a two-seater version called the Sea Hornet, which is a radar-equipped night fighter, and about 380 to 400 of these aircraft were built, but I'm sorry to say that not a single one survives. This basically is the only large surviving part of the Hornet. It's a Sea Hornet. You can see the Royal Navy on the back, and it's going to be dedicated to our resident famous Matelot at the museum, Keith Picton. This one's for you, Keith. Hope you're watching, mate. Stay cool, stay safe.
Hi Keith, thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching, Keith. And it's basically the largest part of a Hornet of any description you'll see anywhere at all. We've got a small piece of tail section behind, and we've got a small piece of wing section elsewhere in the workshop. One day we hope to put it all on display again for you. When we're open, hopefully you can come and see this, but for now I'm afraid this is all the Hornet anybody's ever going to see. Hope you enjoy that. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay well, keep in touch. Thanks very much.